What's up mga kapadres? Welcome back to our channel. Again, I'm Mike of Soul Padres and today we are back with another sneaker unboxing video. So before we get into the shoe, I'd like to once again thank our friend Mike Kagamit, who trusted us, Soul Padres, for hooking him up with shoes. As I mentioned in our previous video, you can check that upper corner of the screen. That's of the Jordan 11 Lows Concord Breads. His first pair na pinahook up niya sa amin, and this is the second one, which is the Lebron 18 Dunkman. Here we have it. Before we get into the details of the shoe, I'd like to mention that we were able to purchase this. I know the Lebron 19 is coming up, but a good thing about that is the previous models, like when there's a new shoe or a new flagship version of a certain athlete, like for Jordan 35, and then Jordan 36 is coming out, automatically the old model goes on sale. So we were able to purchase this one at 50% off sa sale ng Nike Park or Park Access. So let's get into it. Let's get into the details of the box. So first off, it came in Lebron 18 came in a gray and brown box with a white line or stripe, which is actually a kind of a callback to one of Nike's older style boxes with a certain line, which was the Nike Alpha Project, which catered to highly performance-driven footwear or shoe models. So that's one thing that says something about this Lebron 18, which is all of the tech specs are jammed into the shoe. Before we open it, you can see size 11, Lebron 18. Official colorway is black, electric green. Again, that's it. So for this part, you can see here LeBron James.
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James.
Nike, LeBron James 18, and I'm at 2020-2021, and Just Do It BBZ 330 and the LeBron signature. I'm not sure what the IT or the BBZ 330 means. So if you guys know, please feel free to comment down below. So for other details of the box, here's a swoosh and the LeBron crown signature on this part, and here's a text that says engineering to the exact specifications of LeBron James. So tingnan natin, patagalin pa, buksan na natin. Maganda yung box niya spacey, tapos medyo parang innovative yung style ng pag-open niya. Tapos paper, which is actually kind of nice compared to other paper ng ibang shoes. Sabi lang natin yung box. Bam! Here we have it. The Lebron 18 Dunkman at 50% off, 5,098 pesos only, super steal. So first up, it's called the Dunkman colorway because Lebron in his rookie year was nicknamed or called Dunkman in a specific game when he played for the Cavs, and they were playing against the Sacramento Kings back in 2003. So among the many highlights of the NBA debut was a snapshot of the then teenage king soaring to the basket for an easy one-handed flush. And I just read that from description of the part of the description of the of this colorway. So that's where his Dunkman silhouette or logo came from. So for the details of the shoe, and as well as the tech specs, here we have really nice neon green and or vault and black colorway. It's basically two-tone for the shoe. So starting off with the traction. The traction pattern is actually based on previous Lebron, which was I think the Lebron Soldier 3. We'll insert a picture of that in the vid too. And then for this specific colorway, it shows the Dunkman logo here because the outsole is transparent, so kind of looks like it glows in the dark, but actually it doesn't. So going up to the midsole, which is the really highlight of this specific Lebron, which has 3 layers of cushion. You heard me right, that's 3 layers. So first off is 720 style air unit in the heel, and then after that the midsole is cushion, and then inside of that nandito siya banda. So this air unit is actually hollow, pag ganito parang siyang U-shape, tapos hollow siya sa gitna. It's kind of like a hoverboard, tapos sa gitna that's where the full length zoom unit is placed. So nandito siya. So you have cushion, and then you have a full length zoom unit, and then this 720 air unit in the back, which is actually LeBron James specific request to have it returned from the previous line, which is, let's bring it out for a quick comparison side by side. The LeBron 17. So as you can see, same air unit in the back. And then moving forward, going up to the upper material, which is the latest iteration of Battle Knit. So it's basically Flyknit re-engineered or strengthened or whatever. Medyo ano parang mas makunat siya, mas matigas. So I think it's Battle Knit 4.0 since it started in the Lebron 15. And then for the tongue, it has air pockets dito, which is actually just for aesthetic purposes. Doesn't actually really pressure kapag sinuot mo yung shoes and then you tighten your laces. So ito, another detail which since this is already a year-old shoe or model, ito yung mga nagre-reklamo yung mga tao dito sa part na to, which is the tongue, which is a synthetic material that is really thin. So if you're not wearing high enough socks, this will actually cut your skin upon you running up and down the court when you're playing basketball. So other details came with this carton insert, and the insoles, let's take a look at the insole, which also matches the color. It also in the green colorway or color with the L23 logo. So as for other parts and tech specs of the shoe, we have a really nice big heel counter, external heel counter. It's not really hard, but since it's really big from here to here, side to side, and covers the whole back, I think it does the job for ankle support and mobility and lockdown. And there's something actually here that I don't know what it is. There's a text that I can't read, so if you guys know what that means, let's check if it's identical on the other pair. I think it's the same. So if you guys know what that means, if it's something significant to LeBron, maybe a name or something, and if you guys know, probably I think one of who's gonna be commenting the answer to this is gonna be Philotalk. So if you guys know what's that, please feel free to comment down below. So yun, ang ganda niya, and may signature dito sa air bubble, and then really nice touch with the the eyes of the lion sa tongue na nagpa-pop talaga in that green color. Another tech spec of the shoe inside is really cushioned big Achilles pillows, or one whole pad for your Achilles. And another detail on the back, on the massive external heel counter, is the Lebron James logo in the crown version, which is actually kind of textured, embossed, para siyang spikes. So once again, if you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for all the love and support to all our subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the like button, comment down below, share the video, and of course subscribe and hit that notification bell to be updated on our uploads. On behalf of Kapadring Von, thank you so much. Again, I'm Mike of So Padres. Peace.